The next pose we're going to add to our practice today is chair pose. This pose can be used with or without a block. If you use a block, you can actually create tension and work some of the inner thigh muscles a little bit. So I will walk you through that. You can also practice this without a block, where you would just do the same motions without. So from the front position, just add this to the thighs and gently press the thighs together. From the side, it will look like this. The closer you can bring your feet together, the easier this might be. So without the block, you can bring the feet closer together. Inhale your heart center, lift. Exhale, relax. Root down through the feet in that mountain pose again. Lift the heart center and relax the heart center with the exhale. Find that tall, strong mountain pose, reaching the fingertips down. Gently engage the glutes and the thighs towards each other. Breathe in, find that steady breath, breathing into the belly. And exhale. You want a firm foundation here. Inhale, lift the arms alongside the ears and reach up towards the sky. And exhale, sit down in a chair. Just bring the sit bones down towards the heels. Inhale and lift the heart center, lift the fingertips. We're adding length to the spine. Breathe into the belly. Exhale, relax the back. Inhale, lift. And of course, arm variations here as well. You can bring your arms down into a cactus. Relax. And you can choose heart center. Whatever you choose, let it be your practice. Exhale. To get out of the pose, straighten the legs and drop the arms and shake it out.